Are you tired of the endless cycle of trading time for money and feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? It's time to break free from the limitations of traditional income streams and unlock the transformative power of passive income online. In today's fast-paced world, having passive income streams is more important than ever. Let me explain why. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Passive income provides you with the freedom to live life on your own terms. Instead of being tied to a desk for 40+ hours a week, passive income allows you to design your ideal lifestyle, whether it's traveling the world, spending more time with loved ones, or pursuing your passions and hobbies. Financial security and stability. With the unpredictability of the economy and job market, relying solely on a single source of income is risky. Passive income streams provide a safety net and can serve as a buffer during times of financial uncertainty. They offer stability and peace of mind knowing that you have multiple income streams working for you, even if one source temporarily dries up. Diversification and risk mitigation. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term financial success. Passive income allows you to diversify your revenue sources, reducing your reliance on any single source of income. This diversification helps mitigate risks and protects you from the impact of economic downturns, job loss, or unexpected expenses. Building wealth and creating generational wealth. Passive income is a powerful wealth building tool that can help you accumulate assets and create generational wealth. By reinvesting your passive income earnings into additional income streams or investments, you can accelerate your wealth-building journey and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. Time and location freedom. Perhaps the most significant benefit of passive income is the ability to achieve time and location freedom. Passive income streams continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively working, allowing you to reclaim your time and pursue the things that matter most to you, whether it's spending time with family, pursuing personal interests, or pursuing new business ventures. Introducing FergalDowns Empire. Are you frustrated with trying numerous methods to make money online, only to see minimal or no results? Many strategies promise quick cash, but in reality, it often takes days, weeks, or even months to see tangible earnings. What if there was a straightforward approach to affiliate marketing that required just 30 minutes of daily effort and delivered genuine outcomes? Fortunately, there is. Introducing the Empire Method, a proven system that enables anyone to earn substantial affiliate commissions without creating their own product. Developed by FergalDowns and his team, this method has consistently generated significant income with minimal daily time investment. Here's why the Empire Method stands out. Truly innovative. Unlike other methods that claim to be revolutionary but offer recycled ideas, the Empire Method introduces genuinely fresh techniques that yield rapid and impressive results. Rapid results. While many approaches require endless waiting for results, Empire ensures swift success, even for beginners with limited technical skills. With a structured, step-by-step plan, you can start earning affiliate commissions promptly. Unlimited traffic. Acquiring traffic is often costly and time-intensive, leading many online ventures to fail. However, the Empire Method provides an unprecedented solution for driving unlimited traffic to any website, resulting in a surge of sales. Accessible to all, regardless of your computer proficiency, the Empire Method empowers anyone to establish a thriving online business quickly and effortlessly. Scalability. What begins as a trickle of income swiftly evolves into a steady stream of sales and commissions. The Empire Method is entirely scalable, allowing you to expand your earnings as much as desired. Click the link in the description below.